there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. We are back with another get ready with me, and today I wanted to use the DASIQUE palette, but I'm just going to start it with my base. And I'm going in first with the Dr. Jart Red Blemish Soothing Sunscreen. This has just been the sunscreen that I've been using recently. I'm going out for dinner and karaoke tonight, so I actually want my makeup to last a decent amount of time. So I'm going in with the Milk Hydro Primer, just on top of that. Now that my skin is all prepped, I'm going to go in with some of my Etude House Double Lasting Foundation. I'm just going to dot that all over my face. So I'm just going to use the brush it came with to buff that all out. I've only used this foundation like a few times. The coverage is really nice, but I want to see if I can try and get it to last a little bit longer. I'm actually breaking out a little bit right now. And this product does like a really good job at covering everything. It looks really natural, but still like offers a decent amount of coverage. It is a bit dewy, which I'm not the biggest fan of. So I'm going to just quickly go matte it out with my Innisfree Pore Blur Packed. This one's a pressed powder, and it's actually like one of my favorite pressed powders. I've used so much of it. I don't know what this like random spot is. I have like backups of this product that I stocked up on in Korea. So I'm going in with the Urban Decay Brow Dip Pomade in Chocolate. I've been using this one for years. I really need to pluck my brows, but I'm just feeling lazy today, so please don't look at them too closely. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna apply this under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose. I have like 2 pimples here and like a massive pimple here, but that's fine. I've recently been trying to do heatless curls more often because I'm actually not the best at curling my hair with an iron, and I feel like this one actually, the results are actually quite like nice when I do heatless curls. It's just that they don't last that long, which kind of annoys me. I don't really know how to make curls last long. Even when I iron my hair, I feel like the curls do drop relatively fast, but not as fast as heatless curls drop. I feel like by the end of the day sometimes my hair is like literally straight, but I still think it looks pretty. So I've been trying to get into the habit of like doing heatless curls more recently, but I honestly don't know how girls look cute when they do their hair like this. Like, I feel like I look like an absolute weirdo. I think I look kind of like a grandma. Mine looks really messy as well because I slept in it overnight and I move around a lot when I sleep. So mine's kind of messy, so please ignore my hair. Hopefully by the end of this video it'll look really cute. I'm going to quickly bake this concealer. And I'm using just like Kat Von D translucent powder. I've had this translucent powder for a while, so it's all I really use. And I only really ever bake when I want my makeup to last a decent amount of time. Under my eyes. I get like really bad congestion, so I feel like I'm constantly blowing my nose. So I always try to set my nose and like my upper lip a lot with powder, just to kind of prevent my makeup from budging, because it's probably where my makeup budges the most. I didn't put that much bake on, but while I let it sit, I'm just going to go in with the DASIQUE eyeshadow palette. This one's in the shade 30 Blueberry Sorbet. This is their Blooming Your Own Beauty palette. I haven't used it yet. It's super gorgeous. There's a plastic film on it. What the hell? 2 shadows fell out. This one. Oh no. I think it was because I was like traveling with it, so it might have like got crushed while I was traveling with it. But this one in the middle is cracked. I saw the crack before, but I didn't think that it would fall out. But this one and this one fell out. Yeah, this one, can you see the crack? Yeah, I don't know, but this palette is so pretty. I've been wanting to play around with purple eyeshadows for a while, so I thought that this palette would be perfect. I think I'm going to start with this purple over here. I'm I'm gonna buff this into my outer corner and kind of use it as like a crease kind of like buffer shadow color, just so I know where I want my eyeshadow to kind of end. I feel like the hard thing with purple eyeshadows is making sure that it doesn't look like you got punched in the eye. So I don't want to go too crazy with the purple. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of this deeper purple down here and kind of put that on the outer corner. This color kind of is like a really light matte plum shade. I hope you guys can see. Let me zoom you in a little bit more. That's better. I'm going to apply a little bit of that on my under eyes as well. I feel like that color actually looks really nice on the under eyes. I don't want to drag it down too much because I don't want it to look like purple bags. So I'm just going to keep it really close to the waterline. I want to go in with like a dark shimmery shade, but I think this is probably like my only option for a dark shimmery shade. I kind of want to see what all these colors look like, but I think I'm going to go with a little bit of this dark brown glittery purple. It's got like pink hues in it, can you see? The pink glitter is like quite intense. I'm gonna pop that. Whoa. Okay. That's a lot of pink glitter actually. Whoa, what the? That's crazy. This is giving a lot more like disco than I kind of want it to go. But I mean, I guess I am going karaoke, so I feel like it would match the vibes. But whoa. That's a color right there. I kind of want to really try like this pink shade just to see what it looks like. So I might pop a little bit of this on my other eye. I don't want my eye looks to be like too different. This one's also got such gorgeous pink glitter in it. I think that this one's like a lighter pink. Oh my gosh. Holy. I love. Can you see that? Oh my god, I love this color. Oh my. That is so beautiful. Are you serious? This one's definitely like a dark hot pink, and then this is like a light pretty iridescent baby pink. Oh my gosh. I don't think I've ever had a palette with such pretty pink glitters. Damn. I knew I loved DASIQUE palettes. I think I went a little bit crazy on the swatch, but this one has like white pink glitter. So this one's like baby pink and this one's like white pink. You're gonna think I'm like crazy, but I kind of want to put it on top of this one to see if I can lighten it up a bit. Oh, that's really pretty. I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of this on this eye just to kind of even them out a little bit, because this pink is really like floral hot pink, and I just want to even out the colors a little bit. Whoa, I feel like I low-key like mixed that perfectly. Oh my gosh, I feel like they're like kind of even now. I'm a genius. The glitter is glittering in this palette. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of the like white, this one up here. That white, I don't know if it was because I went a little bit ham on it, but it does have quite a bit of fallout. And I'm gonna apply that on my under eye. I'm gonna go in with this pearly pink as well. And kind of pop this into my waterline. I'm gonna just quickly go ahead and kind of buff out some of the colors just to make it look a little bit more seamless. Before I forget, I'm gonna quickly take off that powder. I'm just going to apply a little bit of eyeliner. This is the Kiss Me Heroine eyeliner. So I just finished putting on my eyelashes and some mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'm just going to complete the rest of my face. I'm going to go in with the Hourglass Ambient Diffuse Bronzer and just kind of contour my nose. I'm also going to contour my cheeks slightly, just to add a little bit more dimension back to my face. And I actually have this lavender blush. This is the Nature Republic blusher, and I kind of want to try it to see if it'll like go well with the purple eyeshadow. I barely use purple blush, so I guess we can see. Oh, I don't know if that was too much. I'll put some on this side. I honestly think that I'm more of a warm tone girl, whereas like purple definitely is a cooler tone color. So we'll see. But this purple actually, I feel like it actually matches the eyes perfectly. It's like blending out to a really pretty pink. Still cooler than what I normally like, but not that bad. I actually think it goes so well with the eyeshadow. A tiny bit on my nose. I actually think that looks really cute. What the hell? The lips is kind of where I'm stuck at. I don't know what lip color would go well. I have this one by Peri Pera that kind of has a slight plummy purple tinge to it. This is the Peri Pera Water Bear. The part that I'm stuck on is I don't know what lip color would go good with this look. I do have this one, which is the Peri Pera Water Based Lip Tint. It has like a slight pinky purpley plum color that might look quite nice. This one's in the shade 8. I'll apply it very lightly just to see. I think it's still a bit too pink. That tastes really yum. I only applied a little bit, so that's only a slight tinge. I don't know if I like this lip color for this eye look, so I'm going to apply a little bit of this to kind of add a little bit of a cool color to it. This is the MAC Lip Gloss. This was actually part of their Cherry Blossom collection, which was like years ago. I've had it for ages, but I don't use this one that much because it definitely lightens and has a little bit more of a cool tone to it. I like to apply it as a topper whenever I wear a lip color that's a bit too pigmented. What do we think? I feel like this color is actually not too bad. I quite like it. I think that is all for the makeup look. Let's take out my hair. I've been waiting all video to take my hair out because I feel like it just looks so weird. But let's check one side first. I feel like I always kind of screw up on the ends because I have layers. There we go. The hair. love how the curls look when they first come out. Like, I can never do this like swoop with my curler because I just don't know how to, but I feel like it just looks so pretty. Yay. The lighting got really bad all of a sudden, so I had to turn my light on. Hopefully it doesn't look too different, but it's been gloomy all morning. It's like raining and it's meant to be summer in Australia, but whatever. Anyways, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!